chart. So this is your time measurements. They're on that paper that I gave all of you to put in your math folders. All right, 1/4 hour equals 15 minutes. 1/2 hour equals 30 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 month equals 28 to 31 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 year equals 52 weeks. I actually put it on your papers as about 52 weeks because it is not exactly 52 weeks. But 1 year equals 365 days. 1 leap year equals 366 days. All right, we are doing calendar today. All right, so it is not very hard. But if you were looking at a calendar like this, and let's say the date was the 12th, and they said Thanksgiving is 2 weeks from the 12th, please look up here. I'm talking about this calendar. Your eyes should be up here. So you would be at the 12th, which is on a Thursday, and you would say 2 weeks from then is 1 week, 2 weeks. So what is the date of Thanksgiving?
26.
No, that is not a date.
November 26,
yes,
2020.
you need to say November 26th. You don't have to necessarily say the year, but you do need to say the month. You cannot just say 26. Don't we have other months?
I have 26.
So when they ask you for a date, that's what I wanted to point out to you. When they ask you for a date, you cannot just say a number. You need to say the month. November 26th. Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
So anytime on your paper, sit up please. Sit up. Anytime on your paper they're asking you for a date, if you're just putting a number, then you have done something wrong. You need to put the month too. All right, let's look at our paper. This paper is January, the calendar is January of 2019. Notice they give you your calendar facts on the side. Let's read the calendar facts. 365 days equals 1 year. 12 months equals 1 year. 7 days equals 1 week. There are about 4 weeks in 1 month. There is 1 month that has exactly 4 weeks. Which month is that? Adam?
February.
Yes, February. Because 7 times 4 is
28.
28. And February has 28 days, except for leap year. And then it is not exactly 4 weeks. It's 4 weeks and 1 day. All right, let's look at the first question. Read it with me. How many days are in the month of January? Just say it.
31.
31 days. You need to write 31 days because it's how many, what?
Days.
So you need to write 31 days. You always need to put a label with these. You can write 31 as a number. Please do not spell out 31. You do need to spell out days, but I don't need you spelling out 31. Just write 31 as a number and the word days. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, the first day of January is on what day? Let's raise your hands. Everybody look at January 1st. What day is that? Grace?
New Year's Day.
Okay, that is a holiday. I need to know what day it is.
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. So everybody copy Tuesday. All right, I guess we're going to have to copy that from the board because I just realized they just put an abbreviation for it and it's not even the right abbreviation.
Yep.
Is that the correct abbreviation for Tuesday? No. But anyway, Tuesday. What is the correct abbreviation for Tuesday?
TUES.
Capital TUES.
Period.
I don't want the abbreviation. I just want you to write out the whole word. What?
I don't think they were doing abbreviations, they were just doing the first letter,
I know.
and so they
But
did the
it
other
is
letter,
still
so
an
you can know
abbreviation.
the difference.
Okay, we're not gonna waste time talking about that anymore. It doesn't matter what they did, let's go on. Let's move on from there, okay? All right, did everybody copy Tuesday? What day of the week is January 19th? So you go to the 19th, and then you go up to the top to see what day of the week it is. Eric. All right, did you go to it? I didn't even see you go to it, but I guess you did. All right, so, is he correct?
Yes.
Yes. All right, again, they just put SA at the top, so you would know that meant Saturday, but you need to write out the whole word, SATURDAY. July. What would the abbreviation for Saturday be?
SAT.
Capital SAT, period.
Let's say it correctly, without the attitude though.
Capital
No, we
SAT.
don't need to do it again. All right, now this is what I was talking about, because it says, what is the date? And this time, since we do know a year, we are going to put the year too. If they don't give you a year, because every now and then when you're doing a calendar page, they're not gonna give you a year. But if they give you the year, we're gonna write the whole entire date. But you definitely will always have to put a month and a number. So it says, read it with me, what is the date of the third Sunday in January? So this is what you would do, just look up here, this is not January, but you would go to Sunday, and you would say, this is your first Sunday, this is your second Sunday, this is your third Sunday. So according to this calendar, which is our current November calendar, the third Sunday in November is November 15, 2020. All right, but you are looking at this January calendar, so go to the third Sunday, raise your hand, count down to the third Sunday, what is it? No, you need to say the date. I already told you guys, you gotta say the date.
January 20th,
Yes, but we're gonna do the year too, because you know.
2019.
Very good, so we're going to write January, so write out the whole word. January 20, and what do we need after the 20?
A
A
comma.
comma, 'cause we learned that in language. Comma after the day and the date, and then put 2019. That's it. January 20, comma, 2019. So that is a date. You don't just put 20. 20 is not a date. 20 is a number. Okay, so you need the whole date. And if they don't give you the year, you can just put January 20. But they do give us the year, so we're gonna write the year too. All right, let's read the next one. What date is between January 17th and January 19th? All right, that one's easy. What is it?
January 18th.
Don't just say 18. Somebody is still not getting the point.
January 18, 2019.
Comma.
January 18th, and then you need that comma, very good, and 2019. That is the date. It comes in between the 17th and the 19th. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna write the date 2 days. I think we talked about this one time.
Yeah, we
I
did.
don't remember why.
Yes, it was a review one, I think.
All right. So this time, we're going to, look at the blue box. They've written the date of January 28th, 2019. They've written it out fully, and then they changed the numbers. So since January is the first month, January is number 1, and then between the slash marks, you put the 28 for the day. And then for the year, this time they let you just put the last 2 digits of the year, so they put 19. You do not ever do that when you're writing the date out fully. But you are allowed to do that when you're writing the date as numbers. So the one they want us to do is New Year's Day. So what are we gonna write for New Year's Day?
1.
No, we're writing it out fully first.
Oh, January.
Yes, January. First they wanted you to write it out fully. January what? First, which is a 1, and then you need a
2019.
2019.
2019. This is what they're doing. They're doing 2019. This is the first January in 2019. Now, how would we write it as numbers?
1/1/19.
And I think they already have your slash marks, don't they?
Yeah.
So 1, and they have a slash mark, then you need another 1 and a slash mark, and then you just need 19.
There's a lot of ones in there.
All right. On the back, we are reviewing clock. So, the first clock says this. All right, so shorthand first. 12. It almost looks like it's at the 1, but it's not because it's not up to o'clock yet, right? All right, longhand by 5s.
Past the board.
It's past the 9, which is
45.
45, but it's not quite to the 10. So after after 45, did we say
46,
46, 47, 48, 49. It's actually supposed to be on 49, but it keeps dragging down. All right, so 49. So 12:49. Now, ask yourself, is 49 more than 30? Yes. So what do we have to do? Count back. So go up to the clock, count back. We say 5, 10.
11.
Can we say 15? We've gone past it if we say 15. 5, 10, 15. That's gone past it. So 5, 10, 11. So 11 minutes before the next hour. What is the next hour? Yes, 11 minutes before 1. Because after 12 o'clock is 1 o'clock. Is it really important?
Yeah, no, it's supposed to be 48. It says on my clock.
Oh, yes, you're right. I read it wrong. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. It is 12:48. So it is not 11 minutes. It is 5, 10, 11, 12. But it is still 12 minutes before 1 o'clock. My bad. So what time is it? 12:48. All right, and then it would be 5, 10, 11, 12. 12 minutes before 1 o'clock. All right. The next one, and I'm not going to read this one wrong, I promise. Looks like this. Okay, so shorthand first. 7. All right. And longhand by 5.
27.
It is just past the 5, so 25 would be 25. So of course it would be 26, 27. So it is 7:27. You need to pay attention. Stop playing around. Is 27 less than 30?
Yes.
And what are we going to do? Switch. So instead of saying 7:27, now you switch their places.
27 minutes
after 7. Very good. 27 minutes after 7. Just switch their places. All right. Now we have a few measurements. See if you can remember without looking on the front of your paper. How many months are in a year?
12.
Let's say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And how many days are in 1 year?
366.
No, that's a leap year. 365. 366 is your leap year. 365. And how many days are in 1 week? 7. Let's say them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to number the days of the week in order. They've already numbered Sunday for you. Number 1 is Sunday. And then you're going to label the months of the year in order. They have not numbered number 1. Number 1 should be January. And you need to stop playing around. The only other thing you have to do is at the bottom is talking about the 3rd day of the week. Once you've done numbers 6 and 7, where you've numbered the days of the week in order and numbered the months in order, then you should be able to answer those questions. But they are also asking, what is today's date? You need to write it out as words. It's right up there to copy. You do not need to know to put the Tuesday, because they are having you start with the month. So you'll write today's date on that one line. But the rest of them, you're just answering. You may go ahead and finish out the paper. The other paper you're going to be doing, this was page Worktext. I don't think I ever said that. Worktext page 133, 134. And tonight for homework, you will have reviews page 131, 132, which will be very similar to this on the front. Remember, when it asks you what is the date, you need to be putting a month and a number. And if they give you the year, put the year too.